Message tonight, we're gonna be having fun, okay? So yung pong members of the Treasures, rarampa ngayong gabi. Parang nagulat sila, girl. Kunya-kunyarian lang yung gulat nila. Okay, sige. So rarampa po kayo, okay? So magiging catwalk po itong ating red carpet. So from where you're standing, rampa, go to this side, pose, the other side, pose, and then we'll have this sa gitna. Ano ba, kayo day o sa 20th? Alright. Sige.
I'm Bailey and 19 years old from Caloocan City, and my gift is Rondo. And I thank you.
Alright, next model please. Don't forget the last phrase, ha? Ayan ang gusto ko. Ganyan. Go girl! Work it, work it. Go! Alright! I love it.
Good evening everyone. My name is Amela Chica. And I thank you.
Alright, next model please. Alright, come on girl.
Good evening everyone.
Kanina may
My
good
name is
eh.
Celine Joy Lipana, and I'm 17 years old, and my gift is it's a book. And I thank you.
Okay, next model please.
The show is about to start. Everybody line up. The show is about to start. Places.
Good evening everybody. My name is Michelle Loptensit, Pwedeng Love, and I'm 19 years old from Quezon City. My gift is pagkain at libro, and I thank you.
Very good. Alright, next model
You
please.
have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed.
Good evening everyone, my name is Alex. I'm 20 years old from Caloocan City, and my gift is a secret.
And I thank you. Come on.
And I think
Alright, energy. You want energy? Come on, next model please.
Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go there?
Good evening everyone. I am Grace from Quezon City, and I am 18. Hindi ko na alam. My gift is a notebook, and I thank you.
Alright, next model please.
Hey, fashionista.
Come on, people, let's make it fun. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Fashionista. How do you look?
Good evening everyone, my name is Tyla Macy Villabar. I'm 18 years old and my gift is cup and
tanungin mo.
I thank
Alright, next model please.
Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Irish Pickup from Caloocan and my gift is bag. Okay, and I'm thank you.
Alright, next please, next please.
Good evening everyone, I'm Lina Yeshua Legastina. I'm 19 years old from Antipolo City. And my gift is makeup. I thank you.
Good evening everyone, I'm Gorgeous Camila, 21 years old from Quezon City, and my gift is perfume, and I thank you.
Good evening everyone, I'm Trixan Cubelo and I'm 22 years old from Laguna, and my gift is neck pillow, and I thank you.
Alright, next model please.
29 years old from Caloocan City. My gift is secret.
Victoria's Secret.
Cosmetic po. And I thank you.
Alright, next model please.
Good evening, everyone. This is Cathy, 30 years old, from Valenzuela City, and my gift is a handbag. Thank you, everyone.
Alright.
Okay, next po. Go, Mami! Go, 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 go!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maria Rosario Dionisio, tita po ni Ella. I'm 62 years old. Ang regalo ko po sa kanya ay jewelry. Magandang gabi po sa namin.
Thank you so much, Mami. Next model, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Crystal Cassandra, 39, and I came from my mother. And I thank you.
Okay, next model, please.
Sean, John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's Fashion Line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel.
Good evening, everyone. My name is James and Kevin, and I'm about 32 years old from Caloocan City, and my gift is collectible Funko. Thank you.
Alright, next please.
Gucci, Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni. Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, I can't afford. D&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy. Alexander, Bertowicz, they only can.
Good evening, my name is Zaira Cobello, 41 from Laguna. My gift is a magical perfume and I thank you.
Alright. And let us complete the models with the last one. Come on, sir.
Good evening, everyone. My name is John Ryan Albon. Dito po ni Micaela. My gift is ramen. Maraming salamat.
Alright. And that's it. For the treasure segment, palapang naman natin ang ating mga models. Everyone, please join Ella now. Let's take a group photo muna with her. Okay, akit po tayo sa ating stage area. 18 candles are ready as well. Okay. They're lined up as well. Okay, you now give your gift po kay Ella. You can leave it there with her. Thank you very much. Mamaya announce natin kung sino nabili ni Ella na model of the night from the members of the Treasures. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.